Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into the exact mechanics of striking the ball with lethal power, take a quick look at this graphic. Over 97.6% of you watching right now are actually not subscribed yet. If you want to transform your game this season, hit that subscribe button right now to support the channel and never miss a breakdown. Most players struggle with shot power because they rely entirely on leg strength rather than full body kinetic chaining. To generate unstoppable power, your force starts from your plant foot and transfers up through your hips into your chest. Plant foot placement. Place your non-shooting foot about 6 to 8 inches away from the ball, pointing directly at your target. If you plant too far behind, you'll lean back and send the ball over the crossbar. Hip engagement. Rotate your hips fully into the strike. Your striking leg should act like a whip, accelerating at the last millisecond through the center of the ball. Ankle lock. Keep your ankle completely rigid. A soft ankle absorbs impact force and severely reduces shot velocity. Now that you understand the baseline mechanics, let's break down how to manipulate ball flight for different dynamic shooting styles, including the power strike and the curved dip. The power laces strike. Connect directly with the bone on the top of your foot, the laces area. Follow through straight toward your target, keeping your chest down over the ball to control elevation. The curled finish. Strike the bottom inside quadrant of the ball while brushing around the outer edge. Wrap your striking leg across your body to impart heavy side spin, driving the ball past the keeper's reach. The knuckleball effect. Strike dead center with zero follow-through. Snap your foot back immediately after impact to create an unpredictable air current drag that makes the ball movement erratic. To master these techniques, you need deliberate, repetitive practice on the pitch. Incorporate these 3 core drills into your weekly routine to build muscle memory. The wall power drill. Stand 10 yards from a wall or rebounder. Practice striking stationary balls, focusing purely on ankle stiffness and plant foot positioning for 50 reps per foot. Dynamic dribble and strike. Set up cones 20 yards from a goal. Dribble at top speed. Execute a quick touch to the side to create space, and unleash a power strike within 1 second. Target corner practice. Place mini goals or target sheets in the top and bottom corners. Focus on placing curved shots under pressure to build composure in front of goal. That wraps up today's ultimate shooting guide. Apply these techniques during your next session, and you'll start seeing massive improvements in your power and precision. Don't forget to drop a like if this video brought you value. Leave a comment with the skill you want to see broken down next. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming guides. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.